Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Teddy Bear Puzzle video. What I'm going to do with you is I'm going to walk through the 3 levels of solving these types of puzzles. And then when we're done, you're going to create your own puzzle and submit it to Canvas. Okay, so we're just going to walk through. And if this is how we walked through it in person. So you're just kind of seeing what we did in class, in case you missed us virtually this morning, in case you didn't join our Teams meeting. Okay, so level 1, we are trying to figure out what the question mark, that's our end goal, okay? So we're gonna look at what we're given up here, and we're gonna figure out where we're gonna start in order to figure out how to get that question mark, okay? So since this is a level 1, we're gonna start at line 1. So we've got teddy bear plus teddy bear equals 2, okay? So that should be pretty easy. Teddy bear equals 1, teddy bear equals 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, check, okay? That means that for every teddy bear you see, it's gonna be worth 1, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in this guy as 1, I'm gonna fill in this guy as 1, and I'm gonna fill in this guy as 1, okay? So now let's go ahead and go to line 2. We know that party hat bear minus 1 equals 9. So party hat bear is going to equal 10 because 10 minus 1 equals 9. So now every time you see a teddy bear or a party hat bear, you're going to put a 10. And now we can move on to, I don't know, what is this? Toy box. Looks like a toy box. So 10 plus 1 equals toy box. And 10 plus 1 equals 11. So toy box equals 11. So now we'll put 11 for this toy box. 11 plus 1 equals 12. So question mark equals 12. Okay? That was what we call a level 1 puzzle. We're going to be going through level 2 and 3. Here we go. Level 2. Okay, this one's got a few more lines. And this one is just a little bit harder, okay? You don't always have to start on line 1. You're going to have to go with what's going to make more sense, and it may be one of these lines that's somewhere in the middle, okay? Now, in class today, we weren't really sure where to start, so we just started, we knew that we were going to start somewhere here, either on line 2 or on line 3, and so we just started guessing numbers, okay? So I'm just going to tell you that the first time we said, okay, these guys equal 5, okay? And it's okay to do the guess and check strategy. Hang on one second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had a guest come to my classroom, so I'm going to start back up. Okay, so today in first period, we just started guessing. We were like, okay, well, we know that something divided by something equals 1, so we know that that has to be the same number. So somebody said, oh, how about 5? So let's try 5, okay? So 5 divided by 5 is 1, check. But if you come up here and you put 5 here and 5 here, 5 plus 5 does not equal 26. Does that make sense? Okay, so it is totally okay to guess and check. It's okay to be wrong. It's fine. We'll figure it out. So we're going to go back and get rid of 5 because that is not going to work, okay? So we finally figured out that we know that these two numbers have to be the same. And if you divide them, you get 1. And since they have to be the same here also, when you add them, you have to get 26. So somebody was like, oh, wait, so that must mean each of these is 13, okay? Because 13 divided by 13 equals 1, and 13 plus 13 equals 26. So check and check, okay? Where would we go next? Okay, look at this line. Do we know anything here that we can replace? Not yet. Do we know anything here that we can replace? Yes, we know that this guy, party hat bear, is 13. Okay, so 13 minus something equals 3. Okay, so 13 minus what equals 3? Oh, it's 10. Okay, so brown bear is going to be 10. 13 minus 10 equals 3. Brown bear equals 10. I can put that down here. Brown bear equals 10. I can put that up here. And then purple bear was 13, so we'll go ahead and write 13 here too, okay? So now let's come up here, because we don't know toy box yet. check over here. 10 plus toy box equals 15. Okay, so that means toy box is going to equal 5, which means this toy box is going to equal 5. And now we're just going to solve. Since we have addition and subtraction, we're just going to go straight across. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 minus 13 equals 12. So question mark equals 12 on this guy. And check and check. Okay, last one, level 3 puzzle. Okay, 5 lines again. And where are we going to start on this one? Well, we don't know anything here. We've got some numbers here. We don't know anything here just yet, or here, or here. So let's go here, okay? 96 divided by something will give me 24, okay? So I can do one of two things. I can take 96 and divide by 24, which looks kind of scary because it's division, okay? Or we can just come over here and say, okay, how many 24s will make 96? And you can do 24 plus 24. Adding is a super easy way to get that. And we've got 8 and 4 plus another 24. Sorry guys, I don't have my little pen, so it's a little sloppy here. 8 plus 4 is 12. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 72. Okay, we're almost there. Let's see if we can squeeze in another 24. All right, 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. 96. How many 24s make 96? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means brown bear equals 4, because if you take 96 and you divide by 4, and this way, this is a little bit easier dividing. 4 goes into 9 twice, minus 8. 1, bring down the 6. Okay, 4 goes into 16 4 times with no remainder. Okay, so this guy looked a little difficult. This guy is easy to manage, okay? So 96 divided by 4 equals 24. So that means we can put a 4 for all of our brown bear values, okay? So this one's done. Let's go, let me see. Where can we go next? Oh, here we go. Toy box. Toy box minus 4 equals 1. So what minus 4 equals 1? That's right, 5, you got it. So 5 minus 4 equals 1 for toy box. So we can put 5 here for this toy box and 5 here for this toy box. All right, here we go. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So Party Hat Bear equals 9. So we can put a 9 here and we can put a 9 here. All right, that line is a check. That line is a check. Let's go here. Purple bear times purple bear equals 9. We know these have to be the same number. So what times what equals 9? Same number. All right, I heard you were saying 3. Okay, so 3 times 3 equals 9. So that means purple bear is 3. That line is a check. So the only thing we have left is this bottom line. But this one's a little bit tricky because you are going to want to add 9 plus 3 times 5, right? But that is incorrect. Remember, order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, and then final, add and subtract, okay? So we don't have parentheses, we don't have any exponents. Do we have any multiply or divide on this last line? Yep, right here, we've got multiply. So we're actually gonna do this guy first. So we're gonna multiply 3 times 5, which is 15. And then we're gonna add the 9 to it, and we're gonna get 24, okay? So question mark equals 24. Remember, use your order of operations, especially when you see this. You've got a plus and a multiply. The multiply goes first. Okay, you guys, sorry about that. I got a phone call in the middle of this, so from my kids. So here we go. Here is your task for today. If you are a remote learner or if you are absent from face-to-face class today, your assignment for today is over here on the side. You are going to create your own level 3 puzzle using all operations and shapes or pictures of your choice, just like this, okay? Make sure you create a separate answer key, okay? Don't show me the answers on the front. Don't show me the values of all your pictures on the front. Show me on the back and make sure it's correct. And then you're going to submit it to Canvas either as an attachment because maybe you drew a picture and take a picture of it and upload it to me, or you can make it in like a PowerPoint or something if you're super creative like that. But that is your assignment. You are going to create your own level 3 puzzle. This is considered a level 3 puzzle using all operations just like this, okay? All right, have an awesome day and see you soon. Bye.